As parents, you do all that you can to keep your children safe, including following feeding safety guidelines for your kids. Unfortunately, some daycares don't follow these important guidelines and put children at serious risk of injury. That's why today, we're going to tackle a critical issue: the aftermath of a choking incident that happened during mealtime at daycare. Let's begin by discussing how choking incidents with food happen. They often occur when food that isn't appropriate for an age group is given without being properly cut up. Common examples of dangerous foods for small kids include grapes, hot dogs, hard candies, marshmallows, and popcorn. Choking incidents from these foods can lead to scary and severe events like asphyxiation, which can ultimately lead to traumatic brain injuries or even death. If your child was the victim of an injury like this, it's important to know what steps to take. Here are the steps you should take after a choking incident at daycare occurs. Step 1. The most crucial step is seeking medical attention for your child immediately. Even if the choking incident seems minor, it's essential to have them evaluated by medical professionals to ensure there are no underlying injuries or complications from the incident. Step 2. Document the incident thoroughly. This includes obtaining documentation from a medical professional about potential injuries your child may have suffered, recording a detailed account of what happened from the staff at the daycare, gathering witness statements, and taking photos or videos of the scene. Step 3. Preserve any evidence related to the incident, such as the food item involved, any utensils used, and any relevant daycare records or reports. Step 4. Report the incident to the state. In Texas, daycare investigations are done by the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services. It's important to report these incidents so the state can conduct its own independent investigation of the daycare to see what went wrong. Their investigative findings can be used when making a claim against the daycare if your child suffered serious injuries. Step 5. Contact an attorney who is experienced in daycare negligence cases. A skilled attorney can guide you and your family through the legal process, help you gather additional evidence, and advocate for your child's rights. Remember, if your child has experienced a choking incident at daycare due to negligence, you don't have to face it alone. Choking incidents at daycare can be traumatic for both the kids and parents. Knowing what to do and standing up for your child's rights are key to getting justice and making sure it doesn't happen to more kids. The Button Law Firm is here to provide the support, education, and information you need to seek justice and accountability from the negligent parties after a choking incident. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you have more questions about daycare injuries, but aren't quite ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.